Dear children, welcome to the online class of moral science. Last week we have completed up to 20 chapters, and I hope you all got your uh, midterm portion also. You all know that from October 12th your midterm exam will start. So you will get the timetable, everything your class teacher will give you the timetables, and I hope you all got your midterm portion for GK, that is 1 to 20 children. In that, out of 1 to 20, 5 chapters, which all chapters include picturized, means in which pictures are given, you have to write down their names in the book itself. That chapters will not come for the exam. So rest all you have to study. Okay, now today we will start our new chapter, that is 21st chapter, 21st, superlatives of the world. In this you have to match the superlatives of the world, means match the following. First question you see, children, name the largest continent. Answer is Asia. Answer is Asia. Second one, name the largest desert. Answer is Sahara, North Africa. Third one, name the largest gulf. Answer is Gulf of Mexico. Name the largest gulf. Answer is Mexico. Fourth one you see, name the longest canal. Answer is the Grand Canal of China. Fifth one, name the largest name the longest epic. Answer is Mahabharat. Sixth one, name the largest coral formation. Answer is Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Seventh one, name the highest waterfall in the world. Answer is Angel Falls in Venezuela. Eighth one, name the deepest ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Ninth question, name the oldest museum. Ashmolean Museum, Oxford in UK, London. Okay. 10th one, name the biggest island. Answer is Greenland. 11th, name the largest freshwater lake. Answer is Lake Baikal, Siberia in Russia. Okay. 12th one, name the fastest fish in the sea. That is, answer is sailfish. 13th one, name the longest cave system. Monmouth Cave System. Answer is Monmouth Cave System. 14th one, name the highest airport. Name the highest airport. Answer is Bangdang Airport in Tibet. 15th one, name the largest palace. Answer is Istana Nurul Imam Palace in Brunei. 16th one, name the biggest country. Answer is Russia. 17th one, name the largest passenger ship. Answer is Oasis of the Sea, Bahamas. Next, last question, 18th question, that is, name the largest pyramid. Answer is the Great Pyramid of Chola in Mexico. Okay, children, answers are, I will send you the PDF also. So you will note down the correct answer in your textbook. Okay. Now come to the next chapter, that is 22. It is about international air services. Filling the blanks with the airways of these countries from the clues given below. First question is Colombia. Answer is Avianca. Name of airways we have written. Okay. In this you have to find out the airways of country name is given. You have to find out the airways. Okay. So first one is Colombia. Answer is Avianca. Second, Ireland. Answer is Aer Lingus. Third, Russia Federation. Answer is Aeroflot. Fourth one, Argentina. Answer is Aerolines. Fifth one, France. Answer is Air France. Sixth one, India. Answer is Air India. Seventh is Britain. Answer is British Airways. Eighth one, Jordan. Answer is Royal Jordan Airlines. Ninth one, Italy. Answer is Alitalia. Tenth one, Tanzania. Answer is Air Tanzania. 11th, Australia. Answer is Qantas. 12th, Indonesia. Answer is Garuda. 13th, New Zealand. Answer is Air New Zealand. 14th one is Finland. Answer is Finnair. 15th one, Spain. Answer is Iberia. 16th one, Hong Kong. Answer is Cathay Pacific. 17th, Bahrain. Answer is Gulf Air. 18th one is Canada. Answer is Air Canada. 19th one, Switzerland. Answer is Swiss International Airlines. 20th, that is last, Japan. Answer is JAL. JAL. In the clue box, answers are given. Write down the correct answer from there also. Now come to the next chapter, that is 23. In this you have to know about space. Find the answers of this question on space and add to your knowledge. First question, what is the Milky Way? Answer is galaxy. Second one, what is the long tail of the comet made of? Answer is dust and ice. Third one, name the country which entered Mars orbit in the first attempt. Answer is India. Fourth one, what is the other name for the moon? Answer is Luna in Latin. Fifth one, what is the largest planet? Answer is Jupiter. Sixth one, which is the largest theory of the evolution of the universe? Big Bang theory. Seventh one, which planet has ring of gases around it? Answer is Saturn. Eighth one, what is the outermost halo of the sun called? Answer is corona. Ninth one, how much time does sunlight take to reach the earth? Answer is 8.3 minutes. 10th one, who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong. 11th one, this is the nearest planet to the sun. Answer is Mercury. Last one, this is called the red planet. Answer is Mars. Clue box also, answers are given. Note down without making any mistakes. Note down correctly. Okay, children? Thank you.